So first time na naghimo ta og fundraising after 13 years sa Sinulog dinhi sa Calgary. So ang plano atong himong mas nindot, mas vibrant o labi siguro ang atong costume atong mas nindoton pa gyud sa kaysa nangagi. So katong mga gustong interesadong mga Pilipino na gustong sumayaw para sa Sinulog, so inibitahan ko kayo. So sasali kayo, so may practice na schedule. So follow up lang dito sa vlog ni Kuya Will. So kaya mga kababayan, so inibitahan ko kayo. So sasali sa Sinulog natin. Okay, thank you.
Hello everybody! This is Victoria again. I'm inviting you to our Zumba for a cause. This is actually all proceeds is going to our Sinulog 2024 here in Calgary, to our props, to our costumes, and more costing coming up. I hope that you guys will join us. Again, we are open for devotees and non-devotees. So if you want to join us, by all means, we are open for sponsorship. We're open for participants. We're open for anything that could help us to celebrate our 10th anniversary of Sinulog here in Calgary. So hopefully, you could catch up with us on the series of practices that we have in our GC. We that's our means of communication, by the way, in our group GC or group chat. So hopefully you could join us in January. That will be January 3rd week and 3rd Saturday of January in St. Mark's and in St. Thomas. So we will continue to update you here at Kuya Wilson's vlog. So.
No, actually, it's a good fundraising for Sinulog next year. So hopefully, guys, you can come and join next time.
Friends!
Welcome po. Oh, we're so excited for 2024 Sinulog. Come and join us po here in Calgary. Join us in our Sinulog 2024. Okay, let's go for 2024 Calgary Sinulog. Come and join us po.
Hi, my name is Oliver Hube. I'm from Cebu City, Zumba instructor, and thank you so much for inviting me here for Zumba ninyo sa Sinulog 2024 committee. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang pag-invite nyo at organize ng ganitong event. Thank you so much and God bless all. Thank you.
Okay, so yung fundraising Zumba ngayon, ang proceeds nito ay para sa aming mga props at saka sa aming costume, no? So mayroon kaming tatlong Zumbang gagawin for the month of November para ma-cover up yung mga props and ibang mga expenses sa aming Sinulog 2024. Kasi pang 10 years namin next year na nagsasayaw sa dalawang church, St. Mark at saka sa St. Thomas More, kaya medyo mag-level up kami ngayon kasi pang 10th years anniversary. Actually, it's 13 years, kaya lang wala kaming Sinulog during pandemic, no? So gagawin namin to ngayong 10 years, kaya medyo level up or medyo hindi naman masyadong bongga, pero at least nag-level up lang kami ng costume and props. Kaya ito yung presentation namin for next 2024 Sinulog. Kaya in preparation for this, meron kaming Zumba at saka meron pa kaming ibang gagawing mga fundraising para kunti na lang ang babayaran sa mga dancers o sa mga members, no, sa costumes.
Hello, uy, kutasan pa ta. Uy, siga, itong ilongan niya. Well, it's very good. It's very it's enthusiastic, very energetic after the Zumba. Thank you. Nindot kapoy, maka-energetic. Kapoy. Kaya naman palang size.